To fill out the title requisition form, the first thing I'm going to do, you can see it created a view only copy. So I'm going to click on File, Make a Copy, and I'm going to keep it title requisition, but I'm going to go back and add my name. That way, Justina knows who it's for. I'm going to add example so she doesn't accidentally order it. So this is going to generate a copy of the file with my name and the title. It's going to take a second to load before I start filling it out. But sometimes you'll have the vendor ID number. If not, and the vendor's on file, Justine will have it. But fill out the vendor, who it is. For example, I'm just going to use one we commonly use to order office supplies, Quill. But you fill out as much of that as you know. And the next thing is going to be your requester. So this is just going to be who you are. Do that, and then my phone extension. I don't actually know my phone extension, so I'm just going to put 2000. That gets into the main deal. Third step is the date that you're going to make this request. I'm just going to use today's date. Okay. And then now we're going to get down here. We're going to get to brass tacks, what I actually want to order. So item and description, item number, quantity, and then the unit price. And make sure it includes shipping. So I'm using Quill. So I'm just going to copy my description, paste it in that box. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the item number, highlight that. While I'm here, I'm going to look at it's $21.99 a ream. This item ships for free. So there is the item number. I don't need to worry about shipping because it's free shipping. This is where you put your quantity or number of units. Double check my price. $21.99. You can see in the right column, it generates the number, and then down at the bottom, if you're ordering multiple items, it'll generate a total. Now, this is your unit price. This is your number of units. So if I change the number of units, you can see it'll automatically double it. So unit price, and then the number of units. So once I've got that filled out, you can go in here and you can add instructions. Title money is kind of tricky, so the more instructions or descriptions you can include about how this product is going to be used, the better. But once you're done with that, you're going to go back up to company and either right click, or if you're using your MacBook, you'll two finger click and go down to comment. And you're going to add at J Fitzgerald, Justina, add her, click assign. And when you assign this to her, it shoots her an email basically saying you have filled out this form. And what I really like about this is once she approves it or gets done, it'll shoot you an email saying it's been complete. But that is how you fill one of these out. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me or Dana, and we'll help you guys out.